Kithure Kindiki nethirite kinya cibitari ya Meru level 5 kwambiria waki bwayo kenda kumitithia nkathi na kuwa level 6 akere kaita kaurure bo Professor Kindiki witatu cibitaru nende yari ikibitithio nkathi kethirwa iri rungu thirikari nene na kumbithia thirikari ya county witithia na mbere cibitari ingi ndene ya county ya Meru kaita no kau Kindiki na nyeletie ati Meru ikagunika na thoko nkuluki ya 20 na rwite akoromone ni yathuliri mbecira nyingi Kenya yathuliri milioni mana ya nana kiari nawe gavana Mutuma Ntwethingia na akathite thirikari ya William Ruto akiwa mwena mirandi rithirite reo ya Maua Stadium na Kinodo Stadium monjorethia urora randura county ya Meru nkuluki ya milioni mana 6 nende akethira kiriwa mbechai ni thirikari nene Muthuri Murioki aina ripoti
Mujionaro munine mutongirio mugongono Professor Kithure Kindiki akinyite ndene county ya Meru na gutukungi ni cibitari nene level 5 na morto jotigirati ni gwitigwa nkathi na ukinya level 6.
Leo tumefika hapa na leo tumeleta contractor wa hospitali yetu. So we've been praying kama vile kuna hospitali kubwa kule Eldoret huko North Rift, hata sisi hapa hapa Eastern tuwe na hospitali ambayo itatusaidia ya kiwango cha juu. The government will elevate the categorization of Meru Hospital from level 5 to level 6.
Afya hospitali yetu hapa tukaomba His Excellency the President atupandishie iwe ya ngazi ya level 6 na their requirements, and among the key requirements za level 6 ni kuwa na another block so that we attain the bed capacity ya level 6, Your Excellency.
Bakirio ndiongejo yawe bagomanitira gavana Meru Reverend Mutuma Ntwethingia na bunge ba Meru na atongiri bangi bakithirikari bajanandi munino mutongirio mugongo auga waki basibitari je boketha bokiambiria na nyemebiri mugwanja ibuburiko babukurika.
Hii contractor tumeleta hapa sio wale contractor wajeuri wanaambiwa 7 months wanachukua 10 years. They are being supervised by the military. Na umeona DOD hata watu ya uniform wako hapa. So there are no jokes here. 7 months is 7 months. We want before the 7 months to have acquired the logistics for phase 2, because we don't want to go to the next election when this hospital is still at level 5. We want to go to the next election when this hospital is in level 6.
Bakiura niko jiko kwa cibitari je ni thirikari nene kukakanya cibitari je ndene kaunti ya Meru kwithwa cikigunika nonto thirikari nene ikethwa kia ritungugi na kinya gwita mbeca kwagirije cibitari je.
What that means is that the county government of Meru will now hand over the hospital to the national government. It will be run as a parastatal like Kenyatta National Hospital, and it will be funded directly by national government. That is a very consequential achievement for this region, and we are working day and night to actualize the directive of the president, and we have started today with the construction of phase 1 of what we require.
Bakiura ni motungata jajaronekana kicibitari nene ya Kenyatta jaketho jakina magicibitari je ya Meru nikenda ndibarabe na mobathu jaja betho bakirigitirwa ja.
There will be no reason whatsoever for any patient to go to Kenyatta National Hospital, to go to Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital. Every treatment from cancer to kidney dialysis to treatment of heart diseases, all the diseases that are there in this world, tutakuwa tunamalizia mashida yetu hapa. And that's why we
ogethera aciebe to bateta Kenyatta okethera itoreteri cancer center nonto it's among the components cia health ya level 6 ni mbibinge tukwenda tebi tukwenda
nyumene mulino mutongirio mugongo bena gavana wa Meru na tongire bangi betho bekinya magutano kutithimana na ntu
Arambe William Ruto wacha nione salamu ya rais wetu jameni.
Muthuri Muriuki wari Juma Mutiri wa Kangangi.